Компания инноваций и технологий.
Back then, life was easier. Everything was much simpler and better too. But was it really? Whether life was easier, better, or simply different is a matter of individual perception. One thing is true, however. Today's world places greater demands on us than ever before. For example, the supply of goods and commodities. We expect a large selection of products available at all times, and we also want to shape these products. We are demanding and discerning. Companies today are all too familiar with this situation. After all, they have to satisfy our needs and supply us quickly and on time with the products we want. But how do they manage this? With the automation of intralogistics. Intralogistics. This is the sum of all materials and goods flows that take place within a company. Goods are produced, stored, secured and checked, and the right quantities delivered to the right location on time. A modern intralogistics system makes optimal use of the space available and makes goods available fast, all automatically. Companies with a modern intralogistics system have a competitive advantage. They save time, space and money. This means that intralogistics play a major role in making companies fit for the future. Let's look at the Danish mail-order company Nice Hair. Thanks to automation of its intralogistics with vertical carousels from Kardex Remstar, the company not only achieved productivity gains of 150% and space savings of 60%, but was also able to switch from costly multi-shift operation to single-shift operation. For customers, this means they can select online from 10,000 different products and have them delivered the following day. As we all know, tastes differ. For this reason, each of the 600,000 fitted kitchens produced annually by Nobilia is unique. The worktops and front panels of the kitchen elements must be available in every color and material. Nobilia has therefore opted for a 24-meter-high, fully automatic high bay warehouse from Kardex M-Log. The high-value worktops are stored on 19 levels. Depending on the customer order, the required panel is selected and brought to Nobilia's in-house production, quietly and more efficient than ever. Flight Safety International is the world's leading manufacturer of flight simulators. Previously, the parts were all stored in cardboard boxes on shelves. This took up a lot of space, and the search for components was both labor-intensive and prone to error. Since moving to its new facility, Flight Safety International is using a fully automatic intralogistics solution. The warehouse is arranged around 4 Shuttle XP vertical lift modules from Kardex Remstar. Thanks to this automated high bay warehouse with its clever design, Flight Safety International has achieved 85% floor space savings. Now, 2 persons instead of 14 fill the orders from production, and the error rate has dropped to almost zero. Modern intralogistics enable companies to cut costs and increase productivity. Therefore, there is a great demand for clever intralogistics solutions, and potential too. In Europe, only 33% of all warehouses are automated. Globally, the figure is a mere 10%. The Kardex Group serves this growing market. The company is one of the world's leading providers of dynamic storage and retrieval systems and material flow systems. Kardex has implemented more than 900 high bay warehouses worldwide for well-known customers and has designed more than 100,000 warehouse and retrieval systems. The Kardex Group comprises the Kardex M-Log and Kardex Remstar divisions, which complement each other perfectly. 1,500 highly qualified employees in more than 30 countries make Kardex a reliable partner. Kardex is a single-source service provider. Requirements analysis, planning, production and implementation of tailor-made intralogistics solutions. And more than that, Kardex Life Cycle Management guarantees comprehensive service during the entire life cycle of a product around the clock and worldwide. Kardex solutions and products enable companies to meet our constantly growing demands as customers. Tailor-made products, a wide variety, and readily available. The intralogistics solutions from Kardex make it all possible.